failed the mission.
How big?
Where was he? Who's that?
Just one?
Failed the mission.
I mean, look, if he was a good boss, he'd be able to get a higher quality sidekick.
Higher quality sidekick.
Your man's best friend, but is he your best friend? Has he even given any
now you can choose your weapon.
Cool. Name's Q.
Oh wait, no, you can't. You got $0.
No, you were attacked. No.
Yay!
He's big.
Well, you should have played last time.
You worthless mutt.
You're worthless.
We're talking
Dude, that's
over
what I'm
here. Hey, who's he to call you worthless? Hey, he's got a point there. Our master doesn't value us as sparkling individuals.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Come here, we're friends.
Yeah. I want a shotgun. Shotgun. Cool. You got $0.
Don't worry, Doc.
Ooh, get
This
down.
will only hurt a lot.
I'll just get my can't get anything. Man, that ain't fair. Couple more levels. Get every tip out. New stronger weapons. CPU weapons. I'll give you my secondary.
A DNA cocktail that will make every citizen as obedient to me as a
What's the secondary?
Hold him until the cops get here.
Same as I have to see if I have to charge my phone. Okay, wait. Here. Okay, let me switch.
Jeff, we don't have much time. I know where the boss is. How'd you love to stay in Jeff? I gotta get dressed for work.
Yo, switch weapons with me.
Switch weapons. There. I got my secondary. Giggity.
Mary, you okay?
What guns I have? Mercenary. Same. Secondary. Yours. Recognize that puny color. You got pimped out secondary guns.
What's been going on back home?
You reinstated? You're promoted?
You should. Save secondary, first aid. Secondary. Where's this?
That's funny enough.
Yeah, it's a pimp. Yeah, it's a pimp
The
gun.
hero idiot. I prefer the term visionary.
You get my first aid gun. Primary.
Dan gave Simon a taste of his own medicine. And not the free cherry flavored kind, but the bitter, hard to swallow medicine.
You. Dude, get down. You're getting shot at from all corners.
And father took